Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Guru Shivam. This is video is especially I have made for the users of different countries from India and Nepal. They can understand my Hindi language, but the people from other country can't understand Hindi. So this video is especially for them. Here we can see that my storage space is running very slow. There is very low disk space in my phone. So I have opened app details, and what we have to do that we have to clear data of apps which we want. Here you can see that I have clearing data of Facebook, WhatsApp and some others, but the main motive is that the apps in which you have problem only clear data of those apps, not all of them. I have got that there is many apps in my phone which are letting my phone too slow, due to which I am going to deleting or clearing data from those apps. Apps like Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat too, they are in trend. I want to say that they are in trend. This is because we are using it regularly, due to which there is going to be low disk space in our phone as their data are increasing day by day in our phone, which is very harmful for our mobile. The mobile is like a Redmi 9A. Yes, this phone is Redmi 9A. There is very less storage given in this phone, like 32 GB. So I especially requesting you that you should must buy the phone having under 64 GB storage space until you can't get free from the storage problem. Here you can see that there are many apps. I'm scrolling down, you can see that some systems apps, some installed apps. So I'm clearing data of those apps whose data are increasing day by day, like gallery. If you have some pictures in your gallery and its location is in internal storage, then you should not clear data of that app, because it will clear your whole photos and videos which are stored in gallery. As I have put SD card in my phone, that's why I am deleting caches and data of each and every apps, as my phone is running too slow now. What you have to see that those apps which you are using regularly, but not the studying apps like online studying apps like WebEx, Teams, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, etc., which you are using regular purpose, which are using for regular purpose, so you don't have to delete that data, because as your accounts are logging there is chance of removing that accounts which we have logged in there or you have logged there previously. So don't do that. The apps which are harmful or disturbing you daily by daily in your regular use, only clear data of those apps. As you are seeing Facebook, yes, I also clear data of Facebook because I don't use it regularly as a regular use, but also there is more data, so we have to clear that data. As we open that app, then immediately that cache will again occur, so it doesn't matter in our regular use. Just follow all these steps. As you are looking, I have opened many apps and clearing data, and same process is happening again by again. This is the only common process that we can remove some unsuspicious data or unusual data. For removing them, that's why I'm doing this again by again. This is only the way that we can free up some storage in our phone. As you are looking, there are many installed apps like Play Store and other app store like apps. So also do clear that storage, also clear those app data also, which helps you to use your phone smoothly and conveniently. As I have opened Snapchat and cleared data of that app too. This is because that app is also in trend, as we are using it day by day regular, but we don't see what is going on it. We never open its app information that its data is increasing or decreasing. Yes, its data is increasing day by day, so we have to clear data, and when we have to use it, then reopen. We have to click our image. After that, again after clicking, it will be stored in our mobile phones, and then we have to clear that data. If we have small storage in our phone, we should do these steps regularly. Otherwise, you can clear this data in a month, or in a 2 month or 3 month also. So this is the most important step. As I have opened my file manager, there we can see I am deleting my Android. But in the case of PUBG users, Free Fire users, or WCC, I mean cricket game users, the mostly played games PUBG, Free Fire, WCC, their data are stored in Android app, so they should not delete this file. If they will delete this file, then their data of PUBG and Free Fire will be also deleted, through which they can't able to play that game easily, or takes so much time to open that app, so they don't have to do it. Only those users which doesn't save their or using any harmful or more powerful games have to do that. Clearing MIUI files also doesn't affect your mobile phone, as they send regular updates and ads which are stored there, so it doesn't affect your mobile phones. After doing all these steps, we have to again go to our setting and see this storage space sector. Then we can find that we have is free of the space, as we have do that steps which help us to clear our space, and we are able to run our mobile phone more smoothly, which help us to use it smoothly and conveniently. After doing this all step, we can find that our mobile is going to be more faster than previous ones. So thank you.